moment we have seen it with both. There are companies that have actually approached us because they want to become exclusive or non-exclusive resellers, consulting partners, let's say, that's how we call it on the website, for Mapov8 in their own country or geographic region. In which case, they will be the ones upselling Mapov8 to their existing clients through their own sales effort. We're also seeing that there are companies that are actually trying the software because they think, okay, I may actually buy the professional model, I can create 10 maps a month, I can actually do it for my clients, and after that they see that there is actually value in coming back to us to partner because they have a much bigger need than 10 clients, and they think that by partnering with us there is a lot of synergies and more money to be made on both sides. As Ethos integrated solutions, we can't cover regions that are in South America, in countries that we don't have a presence at. Going through local partners is something that we are focusing on actively, but the surprising thing is, even during the beta testing of the software that we advertised on social media, is how many people came back to us first with their feedback and second with a clear interest in partnering with us. What we're doing now is going through the evaluation process of some of them. They are all in different stages and a lot more will be coming in. If someone wants an exclusive partnership on a country level, obviously that has different characteristics to someone else that just wants to be a local regional partner without exclusivity. So we're trying to find the perfect fit between what our business needs are and what our revenue targets for Mapov8